guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna do a competition with me against Dany. We just got new clothes. What are you doing? Oh yeah, and by the way, if you see on the head, he got. Oh, he's doing the armpit like this. Wait. Like that, you know, the arm part. Yeah, that's what he's trying to do. So he did that, and now we're gonna have a competition. We're gonna have a competition of Roblox, and he's really good. Believe me, he's really good. We're both great gamers. I don't know. He's only 4 years old, and he's very good. Like seriously, I'm really impressed. I've seen no one else like this. I've searched for YouTube videos, and yeah. You ready for the competition? So the rules.
I got that bigger.
I don't know.
I know.
So he has a sore throat, but yeah. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna have a competition. The rules are that we have I have 10 minutes at a game. He's gonna choose a game. I don't know. I don't know who's gonna choose a game. We're just gonna pick a game, and when we pick a game, I'm gonna have 10 minutes, and he's gonna have 15 minutes. And at the end, we're gonna see who's the winner by who has got the most points, whatever, something like that. And then whoever is the winner, he's gonna, I don't know, just win, maybe get, I don't know, but yeah. So, which game do you want?
Choose Dany.
Choose Dany. Which game?
You have to be careful, Andy, yeah? Because you guys.
Let's see.
This game.
This one?
Yeah.
No, I don't want it. We need to choose a game that we're good. Okay? How about, let's see.
This one.
Which one? No. This one? No. I have no freaking idea. God, his mouse is not good. How about we play, I don't know.
No, I want Dany Munoz.
But Dany, we're doing competition.
I don't want to do protection.
We're not doing protection, we're doing competition.
I don't want to do competition.
That's really sad. Come on, choose something, a game. Which game? Because we're starting from scratch. Okay, I need a good game. I have no games. Oh my god, this is really hard.
What's really hard? Why we don't have any Roblox?
Because it's on another account. It's not on Dany. Oh my god. Can we just find a good game at least, please?
This is a good game.
Right, Dany. Oh gosh. Move, please. It's not working. Oh my. OMG, this thing is getting real annoying. I'll let you know when we find a good game. Okay, so we chose a game. It's called Unboxing Simulator. I don't know. We're just gonna try it. I mean, we've already played it. So yeah, we're just gonna try it, and we're gonna see who's gonna win. He's gonna have 15, and I'm gonna have 10, and we're gonna see who wins. Let's do this. So you're gonna have a look to Dany, and I'm gonna play this game. Dany, go. We're trying our best, and we hope we win. We've both played this game a little.
Not the best.
I got my guitar. I got a guitar. Yeah, it's my best. Got a guitar. Hey, Dany. That's mine. My coin. I've already got a guitar, guys. I just hope I win.
You're cheating.
Why? What?
What do you want?
I'm just stopping the video. I'm just stopping the video.
Okay, why?
Because I want to stop the film, because what?
Auntie,
You expect us to film 10 minutes straight?
Auntie, a present behind you, present.
Sorry, Dany has it's our fault. Oh, I'm getting that present. Uh-oh, who's gonna get it first? Oh god, that's 900. God, it's so long. We've got 900 to deal with. This is gonna take a while. Guys, this is the time where we all have sew necks, just like Dany. Dany also has the sew necks right there. I wonder who's win. We only have 4 minutes before we lose, and before it's finished. And maybe Dany might just get, get a less amount of time to get his time up. We're gonna see our scores, and if it's close, then we're gonna keep it, and if it's right, we're gonna think and give him a time.
Why?
What? Stop
Play,
playing.
Dany, play. Go and play before you lose.
Play?
Yeah, I think Dany's gonna get a head start or something. Like
Really?
A little bit more time, or maybe it's a little too short. We're probably both of us gonna get more time. Probably. Hard. It's damn hard.
Where's white? I can have
I
it.
mean, it's not hard, but it's like very nervous, or I don't know. Dude, I'm looking for the big ones. That's what I'm doing. I'm not taking any smallies. Come on. Do better. Sounds better. I'm gonna cut that. Take that. Ooh, what's this? Dany, go, go, go!
What phone? Oh, yeah, this one.
So, guys, what happened is that, this happened, and so what we're trying to get is actually the most coins, and I got 875, while Dany's got 145 only. So what we're gonna do is we're both gonna get a second chance, and we're both gonna try to get, we're gonna get another 10 minutes, and after we're gonna see the scores, and depending on who has more, who will get more time, and then we'll see who will win, so it'll be fair. Since Dany is a little bit less better, but he's done all of this himself. I tell you, he's really good though. And also, he's good at Roblox, different things. Like, I'm gonna do another competition sooner. This is not fair at all. Like, I got 4,960 and Dany got 739. What do you think, guys? We should give him extra 10 minutes and me 0 extra minutes. And this time I'm gonna help him a little. And yeah, let's hope. I don't know. We win. This is me, Andy, 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 Andy. And this is Dany, 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 Dany. This is Dany, Dany, Dany. Guys, he might beat me, dude. Go Dany. He might beat me, dude. Seriously, like he's got like, I don't know how much time, but I got 7 more minutes. And Dany, you got only 1 minute. Go. Okay, actually, I think I won. He has to get 1 more. Go, just. I don't know if you can see it. Oh god, I think I win. I'll just wait. Let's see. I don't know. Time. It's finished. Stop. And the scores are, I have 4,962, 4,654. Dany is the hell close. Look at that. Dany, me. 4654, 4960. Would you look at that? Dany is so close, but you lose. It's okay, Dany. Next round, you'll beat me. Next round, we're gonna do Roblox Death Run. And we're gonna see how many races we win. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like and subscribe or whatever, things like that. If you want to see more of the competition. And yeah, bye.